Dear students, how are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Allah. Again, I contact with you a class. Welcome everybody for today's class. You know, coronavirus is serious. It may attack any time. So everybody take care of their health and keep away from another person. When you go out of the home, you must wear a mask with your face and wash your hands when you return your home. My dear students, today I take the class about the second paper, and it is very important for you because today's lesson is sentence. What kinds of sentence? Now, my dear students, you look at the whiteboard. It is some sentence. It is a beautiful. It is not a sentence. The color looks very nice. It is a sentence. Okay, my dear students, read out this sentence. So today's topic is sentence, part of basic grammar. My dear students, what do we learn today? After studies the lesson, we will be able to identify the definition of sentence, identify the grammar basic, identify the kinds of sentences, rearrange the summed words to make sentence. Okay, my dear students, what is a sentence? We give you a definition of sentence. The dog is a faithful animal. There is a group of words and it express a complete sense. So a sentence is a group of words expressing a complete sense or meaning. Again, what is the definition of sentence? A sentence is a group of words expressing a complete sense or meaning. Okay, my dear students. Next, about the subject of a subject or object of sentences. Now, here is a person. We know that person kinds of three: first person, second person, and third person. And you look at the whiteboard. There we decorate in a table some person, three person. First person, singular and plural. Now you notice at the blackboard, whiteboard, singular I, its plural we, me, its object, and my possessive. And in this way, there are second person and third person also. You look at the blackboard and you read out for 5 minutes. Okay, but as students say you know about this, and next, let us have an excitement. Okay, my dear student, the scenery, the look at the beautiful scenery. It is very beautiful to look at. Let's have an excitement. Now, what have you observed with the sentence? Kinds of sentence. At a glance, sentences are divided into two kinds. Sentence according to meaning, sentence according to structure. Okay. Students, identify the names of sentence. Orange is a nutritious food. This is assertive sentence. Who does not like orange? Interrogative sentence. And interrogative Now look at the black integrative punctuation also end of the sentence. Number three, let's us buy an orange. Let's us. This is a proposal or tell something about the orange. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. May the orange be tasty. Optative sentence. May the orange be tasty. How fine the orange is. Exclamatory sentence. This is very emotional or surprised. Emotional or surprised expressed by the exclamatory sentence. Everybody the kinds of sentence, and you know, and you can select or identify the name of sentence. And when you read out your passage and you find out the sentence easily. Okay, my dear students, next look at the board. According to meaning, sentences are divided into five. Meaning. According to meaning, sentences are divided into five kinds: assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, and exclamatory. Now, before slide, you know about this. Okay, my dear students, you memorize it and remember these kinds of sentence in your mind. Next, identify the name of the sentence. The flowers looks very nice. Simple sentence. Though the flowers look nice, it has no smell. Complex sentence. And it is a beautiful flower and people like it. My dear students, you may realize this sentence. Look at the board. Look at the slider. The flower look very nice. Here, one subject and one verb. The one subject and one finite verb makes this sentence. So it is simple sentence. Though it is conjunction, though the flower looks nice, it has no smell. There are two sentences combined with subordinate conjunction. Though is the subordinate conjunction, so it is complex sentence. One subordinate conjunction and two finite verbs and also two subject makes a complex sentence. Now third, it is beautiful and people like it. There are two subject here and is coordinate conjunction. And when the coordinate conjunction combine two sentence and meaning of the sentence is independently. Meaning of the two sentence independently express their meaning independently. It is called a compound sentence. My dear students, according to structure, sentences are divided into three kinds. So, according to structure, sentence are taken as simple sentence, complex sentence, and compound sentence. Name of the following sentence according to meaning and structure. Okay, my dear students, tell me the following sentence according to meaning and structure. Don't hate the poor. We should help them if possible. They are also human beings and they have got all the rights. May Allah grace them. How pathetic it is to hit them. When we go to them? At the time of election, we go to them to beg their votes. My dear students, you look at the blackboard. First sentence, assertive sentence, and it is negative sentence. And second sentence is if is subordinate conjunction, and so it is complex sentence. And the third sentence is uh, compound sentence because and is a coordinate conjunction. May Allah grace them. this is a optative sentence, and how number five, how pathetic it is to hit them. Pathetic. This is exclamatory sentence. When do we go to them? This is interrogative sentence, and punctuation also end of the sentence. At the time of election, we go to them to put their votes. This is also a simple sentence or assertive sentence. My dear students, you know a lot of things about the sentence. So we end my class here, and later we I take another class with you until you wait for this class, and you don't forget subscribe the this video my or my channel. You must subscribe the channel because you can get another video when I published. Thank you all.